Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase in Germany. First, understand that Coinbase provides a regulated and user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency transactions within Germany. You can easily buy, sell, and manage various digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The platform adheres to local financial guidelines, ensuring a secure environment for your investments. We will guide you through the entire process, from account creation to making your first trade. Setting up your Coinbase account is straightforward. Begin by registering with a valid email and creating a robust password. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, which involves submitting a government-issued ID and proof of your German address. This step is crucial for compliance and security. Finally, activate two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account, safeguarding your digital assets effectively. Once your account is verified, funding it is simple. You can deposit euros using SEPA bank transfers, which usually process within 1 to 3 business days. To buy crypto, just choose your desired asset, like Bitcoin, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Selling is equally easy. Select the crypto you want to sell, and the funds will be transferred to your linked German bank account. Coinbase prioritizes the security of your assets, utilizing industry-leading practices like cold storage for the majority of cryptocurrencies. When you're ready to withdraw funds, the process is efficient, with transfers to your linked bank account typically completing within 1 to 2 business days. Remember to always practice good personal security habits too. Also, for more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.